Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a simple Python program to print a string in a reverse order. Let's start the program. First, we have to initialize a variable. We are going to name the variable as string and we are going to put the value as Python. We are going to print this Python in a reverse order and we initialize new variable called new string as a empty string. We are going to use this variable to store the reverse string and we are going to write a for loop for I in string. This line iterates the each character and set the variable I to the each character. Then we have new string is equal to I plus new string. This line concatenates the current character of I with the new string. Let's see how it works. Uh, let's go to paint text. Our value is equal to Python. In first iteration, our value of I is equal to P and we are going to concatenate with the empty string. P plus is equal to P. In second step, our value of I is equal to Y. Now Y plus P is equal to YP. In third step, our I value is equal to T. Uh, this will continue like this and finally got the we finally get our value as a reversed value. This line effectively reverses the order of the character. Uh, our final step, just we have to print this value. Print new string. Now the variable new string contains the reversed version of the original string. Let's check the program. Now we can see our word Python is printed in a reverse order. Thank you.